Right, hi everybody and happy Christmas, and I just would like to show you two of the spells I've made for Christmas for people. So these are for two of my children, that's for Joe and Nathan. So this is what it is, the three parts, these spells. There's the fire, then there's the written part, and then there's the symbolization to represent. So what we do is, when you're feeling like relaxed and however, yeah, you take your lid off, your spell. In the top of your lid, you've got a candle. Look, clever. Right, so you've got your candle for whichever colour, you know, you get the colour that you need. If it was a love spell, obviously it'd be red or a pink. But this is a more earthly spell. This is a protection and joy spell. So I've given them a green candle. And also because I want it to be prosperous money wise for them, just success in general really, and happiness. That's all we wish for. So but anyway, this works. So you've got your candle, you've got your written spell, and you've got your cleansing stones. You burn your candle, you light candle, you burn that spell, yeah, that releases it. Then put your lid on, put it back in the drawer, done, forgotten. You can either put it back in your drawer and forget it like that, or you can put your crystal next to your door or next to your bed, which actually would probably make it work stronger because it'd be next to you. But what's on the written spell, it doesn't matter if you forget even what it means, because your subconscious mind and the magic part of you does remember. Right, and this one is for Hayley, Joe and the children. So there's a bit more in this, because as you can see, maybe there is 4 ribbons. There's a red one, a green one, and 2 yellow. The 2 yellows for my grandchildren, and the red one is for Hayley, and the green one is for Joe. And I've tied those together. They must never be untied first up. Okay, that binds you together. You've got your written spell that I'm not going into what their spell is because it's a personal spell. And I've given them this crystal because they can hang that next to the door, because Hayley is more likely to do that. Yeah, and these actually, I can't prove to you that a spell works. The only way that you can prove a spell isn't working, right, what I mean is, when you cast a spell, if it doesn't work, yeah, everyone says it doesn't work. When something of ours dearly went missing, it was gone for days, so I cast a binding spell in the end to find it. Found it the next morning, as it goes. It came wandering back. It's a horse. I'm talking about a horse here, right, guys? And the horse came back. It just, like, appeared. The spell worked. I couldn't prove that was the spell working, right, but I know it was. I cast myself. The first ever spell I did was a money spell, because I was in a very bad place, and I can quite honestly say, I don't know quite how, but I haven't been as hard up for money at all since I did that. I haven't had the same panicked feeling. And also, how can you say that a money spell isn't working when you do a money spell, make people spells, and they give you money? So obviously the money spell worked, didn't it? I think. Anyway, that's my take on it. So happy Christmas everybody, and from Lancaster near the Pendle, which is this is me gone.